Stop dragging yourself to the gym. Get fit fast with these killer HIIT workouts at home. Let's dive into the magic of HIIT, high-intensity interval training. It's the ultimate calorie-torching workout that cranks up your metabolism in record time. And guess what? You can do it right in your living room. We've got 4 fantastic HIIT routines for you beginners. First up, the heart-pounding running workout. Sprint for 30 seconds, then recover for 90. Repeat 8 times and get ready to sweat. Next, hop on a bike. Crank up the resistance for 1 minute, then ease off for 3. Your quads, glutes, and calves will thank you later. Prefer low impact? Try the elliptical. Push hard for 20 seconds, recover for 40. Those incline settings will work wonders on your lower body. And finally, a boot camp style bodyweight routine. Do 30 seconds of push-ups, rest for 15, then jump squats, jump lunges, and burpees. Feel the burn yet? The best part? No equipment needed. Just bring your motivation and get ready to torch those calories. Remember to use the 369 manifestation method for impactful lifestyle changes. Like, subscribe, and hit the alert for more tips from Peak Mind Provisions 369. Let's get our HIIT on.